With your own private leisure suite and spaces perfect for hosting, this property effortlessly redefines what it means to enjoy refined country living. Set on the edge of 𝒓𝒐𝒒𝒂𝒒𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 perfect balance. And with its quiet setting and potential for equestrian use, the possibilities here are endless. Step through the oak frame porch into a home that immediately feels exceptional. Solid oak and stone flag floors set the tone. Stairs take you to the first of the upstairs accommodation, and then you're through into this beautiful bespoke study. But it's through these doors that you really get a sense of what this home is all about. This hidden games room is a real showpiece, oak panelled, vaulted and centred around a grand stone fireplace. And this bespoke oak bar completes the space, fully equipped for entertaining in style. At the heart of the home lies a kitchen designed to impress. This is where craftsmanship meets modern luxury. Finished in pippy oak, the attention to detail simply oozes luxury. And what you're left with is a space that you cannot help but admire. This is a kitchen not just made for cooking, but for living, with all the practicalities for modern day family life. There's a cosy snug with patio doors straight out to the gardens. And then we have a formal living room with feature log burner. This is a great space for accommodating the whole family. And then we have the leisure suite with your own private gym. This is a place to come and relax with a heated pool, sauna and shower room. It's great for somewhere to unwind, but equally makes a perfect space for family and friends to enjoy. These spaces, along with the games room, make Stratford House as sociable as it is serene. Undoubtedly a house of company and calm. The principal suite is a great size with a large dressing room, a modern luxury ensuite, and to elevate the sense of space, you've got access straight into your own private inner courtyard. Upstairs, a self-contained guest suite offers privacy and independence, ideal for visiting family or grown-up children. 3 further bedrooms complete the home, complemented with their own family bathroom. Beyond the house, there are beautiful south-facing gardens with shaped lawns, heavily stocked borders, an ornamental pond, and beautiful views over countryside towards the Vale of Belvoir. For equestrian living, the stables and paddocks provide first-class facilities with scope for expansion and a further field beyond. In total, the property sits within approximately 8 acres. The grounds here are both playground and retreat, with an orchard walk, an incredible amount of privacy, and a superb brick-built outdoor garden room, which is going to be perfect for accommodating guests. For all its grandeur, what makes Stratford House so special is how effortless it feels. It welcomes you in and quietly reminds you you're exactly where you're meant to be.